here with the Randstad Senior Executive Program in Haarlem, Amsterdam. 20 leaders from all over the world gathered for 1 week to develop leadership and strategic skills. We gathered in a hotel to find out about a project we had been tasked with. The challenge was set to lead the construction of a playground for children with learning and physical disabilities.
My name's Ilse Truano, and I think we're all excited about what we're going to do and that we're contributing to this daycare.
We're doing well. The first 2 hours it was quite heavy because we broke a pipe here in the ground, so we had to fix it. But after that we make some speed and now it's going well.
Today has been fantastic. I think we came in early in the morning and so much of excitement, enthusiasm.
Well, one of our most important values is simultaneous promotion of all interests. So actually this is the best opportunity for giving something back to society, but also to have our people learn.
My name is Brenda. Duinhuis is a school for children with disability, with mobile or cognitive disability. The children you're building for are in wheelchairs. Those children can experience a lot of fun, so it's a great impact. We're very glad you're here.
School is too high, too difficult, so it's a place where the children can be themselves.
We spoke to the group about their learning objectives.
My objective is around being able to empower more the team.
My personal learning objective was to not initially act, so give others the opportunity to step up.
I have to work in a team together. Normally I'm very competitive and I have to improve my coaching style and my visionary style.
It's a fantastic example of individuals setting themselves goals of what they would like to learn and teams working together. And because there's so much pressure to finish this off in time, natural behavior comes out. We've seen fantastic things happening today.
We've had a few hiccups, we've sorted them out, but now the momentum's really pushed on, so it's pretty tight. I think we're going to be pushing right to the last minute.
We've been assembling the deck that goes in front of the octopus for all of the sounds and fun ringtones.
We're finishing off the front end of the ship. We've got 10 minutes.
So we're going to make it on time?
No?
Randstad is a value-driven company and we live our values. This means we see the bigger picture and take our social responsibility seriously.
I cannot think of a life without this kind of facility, because now we can he can live with us at home, and that's very important.
We hope these facilities will have a positive impact on children of Duinhuis for years to come.
I thought it was a great day, so I want to thank you all. Thanks.
Thank you.